Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Ford Ranger fuel filter. First, locate the fuel filter on the driver's side frame rail, typically near the fuel tank. You'll need a few basic tools, including a couple of wrenches and a drain pan to catch any spilled fuel. Always make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin this task for safety. Before you do anything else, it's crucial to safely depressurize the fuel system. This prevents fuel from spraying out when you disconnect the lines. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to eliminate any risk of sparks. For those quick-release fittings, a specialized fuel line disconnect tool will make your life much easier. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Quick recommendation: after a messy job like this, it's nice to relax with a good book. You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, carefully loosen the filter mounting bracket and remove the old fuel filter, letting any remaining fuel drain into your pan. When installing the new filter, pay close attention to the flow direction arrow. It must point towards the engine. Once everything is reconnected, including the battery, start the engine and thoroughly check for any fuel leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.